Hey tech lovers, meet HUAWEI Pura 90s Pro Max, one of Huawei's most camera-focused flagship smartphones. It combines a premium design and a large 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display. But the lack of Google's ecosystem, should it be considered as Huawei's biggest challenge? Let's break it all down. Let us start with its outstanding camera system. The 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera steals the show. Incredible detail even at long zoom ranges. Excellent portrait photography, superb low-light performance, and the variable aperture helps produce DSLR-like photos with impressive dynamic range. This camera zooms so far, it might accidentally photobomb the moon. Beautiful display? 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display. Smooth adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. Bright enough for outdoor use. And rich colors with excellent contrast. Watching movies feels like carrying a tiny cinema in your pocket. What about it? Fantastic battery life. Depending on the market, the phone packs up to a 6,000 mAh battery with 100 watts wired and 80 watts wireless charging. Heavy users can comfortably get through a full day. Premium design, sleek curved body, Kunlun glass protection, IP69 water and dust resistance. Feels every bit like a luxury flagship. When it comes to its fast everyday performance, the Kirin 9030S chipset delivers smooth multitasking, app launches, and everyday responsiveness, even if it doesn't top every benchmark. Yeah, let's see what could be as drawbacks on this smartphone. Still no official Google services. This remains Huawei's biggest hurdle. No official Google Play Store, Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, and YouTube app. Huawei offers alternatives, but some users may still miss Google's ecosystem. Gaming isn't class-leading. The phone handles most games well, but competing flagship chips from Qualcomm and Apple generally offer stronger gaming performance and efficiency. What about its premium price? The camera is amazing, but so is the price tag. Your wallet might suddenly develop separation anxiety. When it comes to its no expandable storage, this means you'll need to choose your storage size carefully. Overall, the HUAWEI Pura 90s Pro Max is a photography superstar wrapped in premium hardware. If cameras are your priority, it's one of the most exciting flagship phones of the year. But the lack of official Google services is still the elephant in the room. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.